Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. I have a inspired nail that I want to do for you guys today. This nail is inspired by NaioNails. She just did a rosary bead gorgeous stiletto nail, and I wanted to try it and see if I could recreate something like it but different. I am going to try to use the same kind of color tones that she used, but we're going to do the necklace a little differently. Here is her video, and I will also link it down below so you guys can go and check it out. Of course, I'm sure you all have saw it, but it is so beautiful. Okay, so first thing I did was I went ahead and buffed my nail. I wiped it clean with alcohol, isopropyl alcohol. And I'm going to take this color instead of, I don't have a sheen gold, so I'm just going to use this Madame Glam color, and it's called Ballerina. And it's kind of like a very a very, very light beige color. A very, very light beige. So I'm going to first put that on the nail. Go ahead and paint my nail first. It's a really beautiful, beautiful color by Madame Glam. I'm going to go ahead and post my 30% off discount code for you guys if you want to use it for Madame Glam. I did not lay down a base gel, and if you're doing your own nails, you probably need to go ahead and lay down a base gel. Now and cure this for about 30 to 60 seconds. Alright, now what I'm going to do is go ahead and go over it with a little bit of this pigment from Moira. This one is number 38, and I got it from Protect Solutions on Facebook. That link is always down below, along with her email if you guys don't have Facebook. All of Moira's, the lady that I work with, Tracy, all her information is down below. I got a pack of these from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to take one of them, and I'm just going to wipe a little bit of this gold onto my sponge here, just a little bit, not a whole lot. Rub that into, actually I can just tap it since there is still a tacky layer on here, and tap that onto the entire nail. Like I said, I want this to be just a tad different than hers. You can even use a brush, which actually might work a little better. Let me get a brush. Alright, so I'm going to take this little brush here, and with what I have on now, I'm just going to take that and just go ahead and rub that in, grab some more. Right, so that is the gold part. I'm going to take this brand of gel polish. It's a great brand. I've actually done lots of reviews on this polish, or on this brand, in this company. They have great colors. This one is number 004, and it's like a dark maroon, and it does have a shimmer to it, and it's just very beautiful. And that's the color that I am going to be putting around the top of the nail. Okay, just to make this a little bit darker, I am going to take a little bit of my Modelones black, just a wee bit, just like that. It's just going to make it a little bit darker, like a real dark maroon color is what we're going for. But it's got a sparkle to it. My little sponge, little makeup sponge, and I'm gonna start dabbing this color. Perfect color, I love it. We're gonna dab it onto the sides here, the top, the side. And you want to blend, kind of like blend it so that the top is darker. And as you get down into the center, it kind of flares out a bit. And then you're going to go all the way around, just very, very lightly, just like I'm doing there, all the way down the nail, just a little bit like that. Put a little bit at the tip, and I'm going to go ahead and do me a 30-second cure on that. We're also going to use my new polish that I got from enailcouture. This one is number 63. It is a beautiful, beautiful gold. And I'm going to sponge that on too, so I'm going to put that down here. You don't need a whole lot. But look at that. Oh, guys, let me zoom in on this gold for you. It is so pretty. Look at that gold. Isn't that beautiful? Such a pretty gold. And then here is our red that we made. Now, like I said, I'm just going to make it a little bit darker. I'm going to take the same color of red, and I'm just going to do the very tip, very edges, just to get that color a little bit darker. See how that is? Just like that. Now, when I was, I know a lot of people have different religions, and I'm totally fine with that. I have no issues, and it's not my place to judge. With that being said, when I was born, I was baptized Catholic. And later on, got rebaptized. Not Catholic, but. So, I do not judge any religion. And if you don't have a religion, then that's you. But I just want to let you guys know that. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and pop this into my lamp for 30 more seconds. We're going to get that a little more darker. I'm actually going to mix a little bit more black into this red, because I want it just a little darker than that. Take my black again, and I might have to add just a little more red. Just a little bit more red. Mix that we just made. And then I'm going to dab my brush right here. Okay, so here's the darker color. And I'm just going to dab the tip. And then I'm going to dab just the edge. Like that. Okay, my sponge, I'm going to dip it in my gold color. And I can't remember where she put the gold at, but I'm just going to dab it. I guess I'm just pretty much dabbing it in the maroon, the dark maroon color. Just going like right on top of that, pretty much all the way around. So it kind of gives it that kind of look right there. Alright, so go ahead now and pop it in your lamp for 60 seconds. This cross here came with those pearls that I hauled in my review haul video, but I did not get those for review. They're just something I bought personally. But I did pick out some of the tiny little pearls. I'm thinking of using pearls in mine instead of the clear beads that she used. I'm going to use pearls. And then also in the middle of a rosary, let me show you guys. I have a very old rosary, which was my grandfather's father's rosary bead. As you can see, it's very, very old right here. But in the middle of a rosary bead, it's even got stuff growing on it, you guys. It's like really old. Alright, This thing is very old and has collected dust over the years, as you can see. But right here in the middle is your Virgin Mary. And I'm thinking of including that, not a Virgin Mary, but something that kind of ties into it, because that's what the rosary bead looks like. Right there, you have your cross, you have your beads, and then you have your rosemary bead here, and then it goes into the necklace. So I want to kind of get something that represents that. From Moira, I'll put a very thin layer of this over, probably I'll start at the bottom and then work my way that way, because I have to put the cross on first. Here at the bottom. And I'll go up about halfway with that fixing gel. Alright, there we have it. There is my inspired rosary beads. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and top coat this now. And I just want to say I really like the Moira fixing gel. It works fantastic. So thank you, Tracy, for recommending it. Okay, let me get a top coat. I'm just going to grab any top coat. I'm going to use my Nicole Diary No Wipe top coat. And I did use one pearl, and I used these tiny little crystal beads as well, and then I also used these little square just regular Swarovski crystal, or you know, like they're not real, but just used 2 of those at the bottom, and then I decided to go on a diamond with a diamond in the center for that piece of for that middle piece right here on the rosary. That is the diamond that you see here. And then I decided to put the pearl above that and then just go out from there. And that's how it turned out. So you can matte this, you can glossy, whatever you want to do. I'm just gonna give it a nice glossy top coat. And you're going to go ahead and secure all your beads and all that good stuff with your top coat, your pearls. I normally don't go over the like rhinestones because it kind of dulls them, but I will go over everything else just to make sure that it's nice and secure in there, and you know that the beads are not going to fall off. Alright, and then we're going to pop it into the lamp for 60 seconds and we'll be finished with this nail. I am going to go ahead and do 2 other nails just plain to go alongside this one. Alright guys, with the last 2 nails, because I want to do 3 nails in this set, I have added a layer of the black Modelones gel polish, and then I added this on top of the black just to make it a darker color to match the rosary color. And same colors we used before, 004, it's that really dark maroon color from the company here. And now I'm going to take my sponge applicator and we're going to put some of that gold on these nails here. So I'm just going to take my sponge and wipe the gold on to the sponge. And these are going to be my matted nails. You guys know I have to have a matte in there because I just love the matte look. Alright, so with the gold, I am just going to just do it kind of like that. And do it like that. Matte top coat, I'm just going to use my Modelones matte top coat. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, there you go. There you have it. There's my inspired look from NaioNails. These are the rosary beads that I did. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Really quick, I just used, like I said, my matte top coat for these. And then just for a little gold, I put these little gold blocks in there with one little iridescent micro bead, so that it gives it just a little more of a flash and it kind of matches the rosary. Okay, I did the same thing on this side. And these little gold bars also came from the Born Pretty store. They are in this gold collection set that I got. Not these two, I added those. But here are the gold bars. You get different sizes. And I just used 2 of the smallest sizes I had. So all the beads are from the Born Pretty store, like I said, except for the pearls and the cross. That came from Wish. And I just want to show you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this little inspiration video. Let me know what you think down below. Do you think that it looks good? Do you like it? How I did it? I didn't curl my necklace as much as she did. I just wanted to do, you know, like I said, I wanted to do it like hers, but do it differently. Do my own style. But I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Please do give it a thumbs up if you can. Share it with all your friends. Subscribe if you have not. And don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload next. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.